What is Yadana? Yadana is one abonata. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What am I doing? Sure.
Hello, my name is Thukha Yadana channel ni biro pian le choose like pareno. Tini maro Queen Lady Chesia Kono English Sagabio Tensepi Chipare. Season name Sagingo. Thukha Yadana channel go Sacral Chelo Nake Pivo no. Ke Dasolusino season liu Sale Jauma.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. I do finish your yes, I have. Would you mind calling you about this? This book? No. You are the book. Oh, yes. Oh, no. What is my book?
Sorry, it is the book.
Oh, thank you. You are my class. Right.
Yes, I am. My name is Gongsa.
Okay. Help yourself. Thank you.
I like you now. Bye-bye.
See you again. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. What is your name? My name is Chia. What's your name? My name is Bazia. How do you meet you? How do you meet you? Hi. I'm fine. How are you? I'm great. Where do you live? I live here. Where do you live? I am a student. I study English language. Yadi Muslim. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Remember your name, please? My name is Bazia. Who will you tell me your name is? My name is Chia. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What am I doing about you? Sure. Yadana, Thukha, Novice, we are ready. Say that one, Nara, Baby, What is Yadana? Yadana is one abonata. What is Thukha? Thukha is Nesavia. That's Buddha, you know. I see. What is Saudi? Saudi is Saudi. What is Yadi? Yadi is left. No left. Yadi is beside him. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. I see. What's your last name again? Siswale.
Let's take it. Good idea.
1 o'clock. Maybe they on the TV. You are my class, right?
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I am.
Shall I open the door? Yes, I do. Yes, I know. Could I borrow your cell phone? Could you tell me your name, please? She's in our class.